Every home has a foundation, not just the one that holds the house up, but the one that holds life together. The quiet mornings, the loud afternoons, and the moments in between. The big moments, the messy moments, the unexpected ones. Life doesn't wait for perfect. It happens right here. Your home isn't meant to be protected from life. It's meant to support it. And nothing supports your home more than the floor beneath it all. Because life comes with muddy paws, wagging tails, and the occasional accident. That's why Engineered Floors product features paw print protection, your flooring's best friend. Built-in stain resistance helps stop messes before they set. Durable fibers protect against everyday pet activity. And easy cleanup keeps your home looking beautiful. Paw Print provides lifetime protection against pet stains, giving homeowners peace of mind when life gets messy. Because when you trust your floors, you stop worrying about them and start living. Engineered Floors, giving you the freedom to live fully in your home with the people and pets you love.